In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix corrupted system files without reinstalling Windows 11. Start by going to the taskbar and right-clicking the Windows button. In the menu that opens, click Terminal Admin. If the user account control prompt appears, click Yes. This opens an elevated terminal window, which is required because these repair commands need administrator access to scan and fix protected Windows files. In the terminal window, type the first command carefully. Type sfc, then a space, then /scannow. Once the full command is entered, press Enter. This starts the system file checker scan. Windows will now begin checking all protected system files and attempt to repair any corrupted ones automatically. You will see the verification begin, along with the progress percentage moving upward as the scan runs. This part takes a few minutes to complete, so we'll skip ahead to the result. Let the scan reach 100% before doing anything else. When it finishes, Windows displays a message telling you what it found. If the message says Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations, that means your system files are fine and no repairs were needed. If it says Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them, that means corrupted files were detected and fixed. If it says Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them, that means some files could not be repaired during this first scan. That is why the next step uses DISM. Now copy the DISM command shown on your screen, or pause and copy it from the pinned comment, then press Enter to run it. This command works on the Windows image itself. A progress bar will appear, and DISM connects to Windows Update Online to download clean copies of damaged components in the Windows image so they can be restored properly. This process also takes a few minutes, so we'll skip ahead again. Let the progress bar continue until the command is fully finished. When it completes, the terminal reports that the restore operation completed successfully. That confirms the Windows image has been repaired and is ready for another system file check. Next, type the sfc command again. Enter sfc, then a space, then /scannow, and press Enter. This starts the second system file checker scan. Wait for this second scan to finish completely. The reason for running it again is that DISM repairs the source image used by Windows, and then SFC can use that restored image to fix any remaining corrupted system files that could not be repaired during the first pass. Watch the verification percentage as it moves across to 100%. Once the scan is done, check the result message again. At this point, the scan should confirm that it did not find any integrity violations, or that it found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Once the second scan is complete, close the terminal window. After that, click the Start button, which is the Windows icon at the bottom center of the taskbar. In the Start menu, click the Power button, then click Restart. Windows will now restart normally. After the restart, the system boots with the repaired files in place. The final SFC scan confirms the result. If it says did not find any integrity violations, your system files are clean. If it says found corrupt files and successfully repaired them, the corrupted files were fixed successfully. With the repair process completed, system stability issues caused by corrupted files should be resolved. That includes problems like crashes, freezes, or missing Windows features that were tied to damaged system files.